Save every possible natural resources. We don't have another planet to go to. We produce waste in the kitchen. Please compost your uncooked raw vegetables. Every kitchen has something. Please compost it. It's a very simple thing. Hmm. If you're living in a building, all of you can hire a pit, compost it. So we reduce this wet waste. Use Eat organic, eat chemical free food. It is available. It is available. Buy local. Help local handicraft, help local farmers, buy local, because whenever you're going to buy from a so-called, I'm not mentioning, of course, these Spencers, and you don't know where your fish and your vegetables are coming from because there is so much of soil contamination. Whereas if you're buying from a local farmer who has his or her own kitchen garden, grow your own. If you have a garden, or if you have a terrace, if you have a balcony, whatever vegetables you can, lebu lonka, so you can grow, na? At least grow that. Or there are a lot of farmers here who are making organic. Like I said, we have Postic, we have Hulladek with us. There is hydroponic.